Welcome to Vision Academy. In today's video, we are going to explore something very powerful. Imagine turning simple text prompts into stunning videos with just a few clicks, and the best part is you can do it completely free. That is exactly what we are going to learn today using Meta AI's video generator. Before we dive into the tutorial, let's have a quick look at the videos generated. As you can see, these animations look really impressive. They are smooth, creative, and highly detailed. And in this video, we will learn how to create AI videos of this type step by step. Let's get started with the tutorial. The first thing we need is a good prompt. For that, let's open a browser and search for ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT is open, in the chat box, type, "Give me the prompt for a butterfly sitting on a flower." ChatGPT will immediately generate a detailed prompt for you. This description will be more specific than just typing butterfly on flower. It may include details about lighting, background, style, and colors. These details are important because the more descriptive your prompt, the better the output you will get. Now let's type another prompt in ChatGPT. Type, "Give me the prompt for an eagle catching a fish from the river." Again, ChatGPT will generate a descriptive prompt for this scene. It will probably include details like water splashing, wings spread, or sunlight reflecting. Copy both prompts somewhere so you can use them later. Now open a new browser tab and search for Meta AI. From the search results, click on the official link to open Meta AI's website. Once the page is open, look at the bottom left-hand side. You will see a login button. Click on it. You can log in either with your Facebook account or with your Instagram account. Choose whichever you are comfortable with and complete the login process. After logging in, you will land on the Meta AI dashboard. On this dashboard, you will see a plus mark. Click on the plus mark and then click on the Create option. This is where we will start generating our images. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt we created, the butterfly sitting on a flower, and paste it into the text box that says Describe your image. Just below the text box, you will notice two options to choose from. One is Image and the other is Video. Since we first want to generate an image, click on Image. Next, you will need to choose the video aspect ratio. Meta AI provides three options: 16:9, 9:16, and 1:1. You can choose whichever you prefer depending on your project. For this example, I will select 16:9 because it works best for YouTube. Under Aesthetics, don't change anything right now. Just leave it at the default settings. Once everything is ready, click on the Send button to generate the image. In just a few seconds, Meta AI will generate an image of a butterfly sitting on a flower based on the prompt. Once the image is ready, you can download it onto your computer by clicking the Download button. Now let's create the second image. Once again, click on the plus mark and click on the Create option. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, the eagle catching a fish from the river, and paste it into the same text box that says Describe your image. Again, select Image, choose the aspect ratio. I will keep 16:9 for this one as well. Leave the aesthetics unchanged and click on the Send button. Meta AI will now generate the eagle catching a fish from the river. Once the image is complete, download it onto your computer just like you did with the first one. Now that we have both images, it's time to turn them into videos. This is where things get interesting. On the Meta AI dashboard, click on the Video option. Then click on the Upload Image button. Now choose the first image we created, the butterfly sitting on a flower, and click Open to upload it. Once the image is uploaded, you will see a text box that says Describe your animation. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the same butterfly prompt and paste it into the box. Now click on the Animate button. Meta AI will process the image along with the animation prompt and generate a video. This might take a little longer compared to the image generation, but the result is worth the wait. Once the video is ready, preview it to see how it looks. If you are satisfied, download it onto your computer. Now, repeat the same process for the second image. Click on the Upload Image button again and upload the eagle catching a fish from the river. Go to ChatGPT, copy the eagle prompt, paste it into the animation box and hit Animate. Wait for the video to generate. Preview the animation and then download it onto your computer. And now comes the exciting part. It's time to check out the videos we generated. As you can see, the butterfly video looks absolutely beautiful with realistic movements and vibrant colors. The eagle video also looks powerful and dramatic, capturing the exact scene we described in the prompt. The best thing is that all of this was done with just simple text prompts, and Meta AI handled the heavy lifting of turning them into images and then into animated videos. No cameras, no editing software, no advanced design skills were required. With this tool, you can create any kind of video content. You can design animations for stories, visual content for social media, creative clips for YouTube, or even short ads for products. All you need are good prompts, and the combination of ChatGPT with Meta AI makes this workflow extremely simple. Think about the possibilities here. Instead of hiring designers or spending hours in animation software, you can create unique videos for your projects in minutes. The more descriptive you are with your prompts, the more detailed and realistic the videos become. So that's how you can use Meta AI's free text-to-image to video generator. First, we used ChatGPT to create descriptive prompts. Then we generated images using Meta AI. Finally, we animated those images into stunning videos. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Vision Academy for more tutorials on AI tools and creative workflows. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.